Hello, this is Jun once again signing in YouTube. The title of my tutorial is this. Wait. Unang tutorial, debut video screen capture professional. Paid 100%. Crack files, June 24, 2013. I will do this short and simple, okay? First, you must download the tools. Here, CNET. I will put the download link in subscription. Once you put it in your local browser, paste it, click on the download, and once you've done that, okay. Once you've done that, you must download the crack files. Okay, I already have the crack files here. Once you download the crack files, you must here copy it and go to your my computer. It's slow. Local disk C, program files. Search for the necessary tools, which is NHF software. You will find debut there. Okay, debut. Once in there, face it. Okay, you just have to click yes. My David still current record is running, so I will cancel it, and that's it. That's how you do it, and I will put the download link subscriptions. Bye guys.